Just because the holidays are here, it's not a good reason to put off buying and selling real estate. Hello, this is Rick Miller with SouthSide Realtors. I thought I'd give you a quick update on what is going on in our local real estate market. And if you like this video, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. This helps build momentum, and I want to continue to bring you free content to help educate you when it comes to buying and selling your home. Also, click the little bell there as well so you will be notified of new videos coming your way. I bet you think the real estate market is going crazy right now. Well, guess what? You're right. The housing market is going crazy, and probably for a number of reasons, some of which may be the result of the pandemic. Everyone got to look at what was wrong with their current living situation, their job, traffic, their next door neighbor, and decided to move. Then the other problem was everyone who might have otherwise been on the bubble about selling decided that they would stay right where they are. They're thinking, I don't actually need to move, and prices are going up, so if I do sell, I'm probably just going to give it back. And especially after everything that I had gained. So they decided their place wasn't so bad after all. Plus, we are all living longer, and there are new buyers entering the market every day, which also complicates matters. Not to mention the high cost of building materials, which is a factor depressing new construction. What I am seeing in the trades and what I am hearing from those experts that know a lot more than me is to expect the market to continue on well into 2022, and don't expect to see a big crash like of what we experienced in 2008. There are many more mortgage underwriting controls in place to prevent that from happening. What I am seeing in the trades is to expect prices to level off, but not to recede. And for the most part, expect those prices to sustain themselves at least until new construction catches up. And who knows when that will be. But if you're exhausted looking for a home and you think the market is running away from you, well, guess what? You're right. It is. And it will continue to run away from you as long as you decide not to do something. I mean, if you don't need to do something, then that's fine. You're okay. But if you do need to do something, now is the time to get in the game. I know we have a housing shortage. There is likely 3 buyers for every home on the market. So you are going to bid for it, and you're going to pay more for it, and you're going to get frustrated and disappointed because 2 of the 3 houses you bid on, you're going to lose. I know, I see it every day. It frustrates me too. But now is not the time to take a break. Don't use the holidays as that excuse. I'm seeing properties remain on the market just a little bit longer than they were last month, and certainly longer than they were last summer. I also see showings down, and I know you are tired of being rejected. So am I, but stay in the game. Use the time of year to your advantage. Get hyper aggressive in the search, because nationally we're at the bottom of an economic trough with inflation prices ticking up. The way to curb that is by raising interest rates. I'm starting to see them rise now. So don't wait. Whether you are a buyer or a seller, take advantage now. So here's my advice. Number 1, have a drink and go to dinner. Enjoy yourself and relax. Trust that it will all work out in good time, and it will, I promise. Buying and selling houses is stressful. Believe me, I know. I've bought and sold plenty of homes myself. Even in the best of times, it's not easy. It is actually a job for you, but it's well worth it. Why is another subject for another video. Like I tell my kids, if you do a little more work now, you're going to get that much more later. Buying and selling real estate is no different. Number 2, rely on your agent. That is what they're there for. They're there to help you navigate through all of what is complicated and smooth over all the rough edges. That will come with buying and selling buying and selling process. I'm asked weekly, is now really a good time to buy real estate? Sure, if you can catch it. The best time to buy is right before interest rates start to go up, and they will start to move. And remember, there are many more reasons to buy real estate than just because interest rates are good. But don't drive yourself crazy over it. The right house for you will come along in due time. Just stay in the game. A lot of it is a numbers game. The more swings you take at the ball, the sooner you'll get a hit. You can't win if you're not playing. Good house hunting